Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed reviews on products that make your life better. Today, we're looking at something that sneakerheads, boot lovers, and everyday shoe wearers are going to appreciate. This is what we call the best shoe force fields, the FORCEFIELD shoe crease preventers. Let's be honest, nothing kills the fresh-out-the-box look of a pair of shoes like ugly toe creases. Whether it's your pristine Air Forces, Jordans, or favorite boots, those unsightly folds show up faster than you'd like. That's where the FORCEFIELD crease preventers come in, a simple, smart solution that fits right inside the toe box of your shoe and helps maintain its shape like new. From the start, the first thing you'll notice is the lightweight, low-profile foam design. It's made to sit discreetly inside your shoes without bulking them up. The foam is soft enough to mold to the toe area while still firm enough to resist the pressure that causes creasing. And here's the clever part. It includes 3 perforation strips across the surface. That's not just for looks, it allows for airflow, helping keep your feet cool and sweat-free. Installation is easy. Peel off the adhesive strips, slide the preventer into the front of your shoe, and press it in gently to lock it into place. The adhesive is strong enough to stay in all day, yet not too sticky that it damages your shoes. You won't feel them move or shift while you walk. There's also a smart insert tab that helps you position them perfectly. It's a thoughtful little detail that makes a big difference. Now, let's talk comfort. You might expect something sitting in your shoe to feel awkward, but surprisingly, they're really comfortable. The foam is soft and flexible, so it doesn't create pressure points. You can wear them all day without feeling like there's something stuffed in your shoes. No break-in period needed, pop them in and go. The FORCEFIELD crease preventers come in multiple sizes to match your footwear. Whether you wear kids' sizes starting from 4, women's sizes between 5 to 12, or men's 8 and up, there's a size that'll work for you. And they're not just for sneakers, they fit into boots and other casual shoes just as well. These are also super easy to maintain. If they get dirty or dusty, just wipe them with a dry cloth and you're good to go. And since they're made from quality foam, you don't have to worry about cracking or breaking down after a few uses. If you're someone who values keeping your shoes looking clean and crisp, the FORCEFIELD shoe crease preventers are a must-have. They're inexpensive, easy to use, and make a visible difference in preserving your shoes. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking to grab a pair, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hands-on reviews that help you shop smarter. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.